Okay, to some confirmation, this is the correct answer. So we should get 87 here and 87 here. Dapat this one should be 93 degrees. 93 degrees dito. Tapos ito naman ay 93 degrees dito. Tapos dito ay 54 degrees. Diba remember 43 and 54? When we add this up together, 43 and 54, we should get 97 degrees. Then 180 minus 97 is equivalent to 93 degrees. Kasi yung actual is 93 degrees dito eh. 93 degrees dito, tapos 93 degrees dito. This is not supposed to be 43 degrees. This is supposed to be 33 pala. 33, 33. Kasi nga diba remember, we got it wrong computation. Because 60 minus 27, di ba 60 minus 27? Ganito yun, 60, 27. 0 minus 7 is 3. 5 minus 2, 33. So hindi siya 43, so 33 siya dapat yun. So therefore, this should measure 33 degrees. This should measure 33 degrees din. This should be 27 since it's isosceles. Tapos 54 to. Tapos ito 93. This pair should be 87. Then the top part should be 60. Kaya nga, I'm sorry if I were to give you the wrong computation in the previous video. Pero I hope you understood now, okay? After going some under process, we have already found the answers. Alright, so now let's solve for the answer. So angle KAY, ano yung measure ng angle KAY? For angle, where's the K? KAY. It's 87 degrees, okay? 87 to. Next, KLE. KLE. Halatang halata, 27 to. So ito yun. LYE, it's 60 degrees. Halata to. LCK. LCK, yup, 93 degrees to. And KEA, KEA, 33. Yun lang. And that's it for problem number 27 for 2-7. Next, let's go now to 2-8. For 2-8, this problem may be a bit hard, but what is important, we can still solve. Ganito kasi yung nangyari. It says here that we have D and KH. D and KH is a parallelogram. And when we say parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Tama? So ganito kasi yung mangyari. Here's how we do it. We are asked to solve for the measure of angle J, angle RHK, DNK, JDH, DHR, and NKH, which is the reflex angle. Okay? So let's do this. So let's start with something. How do we solve for the angles? First of all, we can play vertical pair because we can see a pair of intersecting lines, which is already implied that those are vertical angles. So this one should be 118 degrees. And then this one, we can play the supplementary angle concept. And we should get, what's 118 degrees? We should get 62 degrees here. And 62 degrees dito. Tama? Because 180 minus 118, 62. Tama? So 62 degrees dito. And then to solve for angle J, it's very easy now. You know why? Look, because 62 degrees is here. And then the other angle measures 62 degrees din. So we know that angle J, it's 62 plus 62, which gives you 124. And 180 minus 124, because it's a triangle, so we can subtract, so we can get the answer. And it should be 56 degrees. So angle J must measure 56 degrees. Then, look at the problem. Kasi nga in the other problems, you might also encounter something else. Kasi nga actual is we also have a obtuse triangle. But we do not know what's the measure of the angle yet. But take note, in this triangle here, in triangle DHR, we have an isosceles triangle. So therefore, we can conclude that both of the angles have the same measure. So we know that 180 minus 118 is 62. And 62 is divided by 2 because there are two angles that are congruent. Therefore, it's concluded that both of them should be 31 degrees. Tama? 31 to dapat. And then 31 plus 62 equals 93. 93 plus 31 equals 124. So tama, we ended up with 180 minus 124 din to give you 56, which is for angle J. Okay? And now that you've already gotten the measure here, we can now get the measure of the parallelogram. Because it says that angle DNKH is a parallelogram. So we know na parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So if this is 31 degrees, therefore, it's safe to conclude that angle K must also measure 31 degrees din. Then we just apply the formula with parallelogramic formula. We have 31 times 2 plus 2p equals 360. You know na parallelogram, we have 360 degrees. So therefore, we have 62 plus 2p is 360. Subtract both sides by 62, we should get 2p is equivalent to 8, 15 minus 6, 98, 298. Divide both sides by 2, we should get 298 divided by 2. 14. Tama ba? 144. $149 pala. So therefore, this should be 149 degrees. And the remnant angle must be, what's the measure of this angle? You can do it in two ways. Either we can do it 62 plus 149 and plus 31 and then sum everything up minus 360. Or 149 minus 31. So 149 minus 31, 118. So therefore, this one should measure 118 degrees din. Okay? Or you can do 62 plus 118, which gives you 180. 149 plus 31, 180 din. So it makes sense. And remember, it says the reflex angle of angle NKH. NKH. So 360 minus 31. You should get 9. 15 minus 3, 5 minus 3 is 2. So tama, 329. So therefore, the reflex angle is 329 degrees. So if I let my phone down, kasi I can't hold my phone and my pencil at the same time. Okay? Now let's solve for the other angles. RHK. RHK. Yup, that's 118 degrees. DNK, 149 degrees to. JDH, of course, 93 degrees to. Last but not least, DHR, 31 degrees. And that's it. Thanks you so much for watching.